Hello, today I will show you how to replace the battery on the Xiaomi Mop Essential vacuum robot cleaner. So first of all I will clean it a little bit because it is very dirty. Okay. So this is the bottom side. And on the bottom side we will remove this panel here, also these panels here, and wow, it's so dirty. Okay, and we need to remove these two. Okay. Also, in this one here, it is the square part and this is the square part, so you don't mess this up when you return. Okay. And this one is different from the first one, so you should take care when you return it. You can see that there is a difference between this and on the other side. Okay. So after we remove all this part that can be removed, we need to remove the 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it. Now we can try to remove just like this. And then we have the battery here and some other bits. Yep, we just get off this little clean. Oh, maybe later. Okay, so this is the battery. So just pull it out. Okay, and here is the connector, so we need to unwrap it. It is a little bit sticky, but no problem. Okay. And now we need to remove the plug in here. Just move it a little bit until you can feel it, and just pull it out, just like this. Okay. And here is the new battery that I ordered from Amazon. Oh, there it is. So this is the new battery that we will install on our vacuum cleaner, and I think its dimensions are the same like the old one. So yeah, we will just take this off and put to this one because I don't have the spare one. I will try to fix it. So I just want to show you that this is the old battery and this is the new one. Oh, sorry. Here you go. This is the new and the old one, and the old one has this black thing to fix it in the place, and the new one doesn't and I was trying to peel it off, but it just doesn't go. So I will use this thing that I found. It is for sound insulation of the door. So I will cut it and just put it like this, because it is the point when you put it in here, so it will be fixed, it will not move around. So let's go and do this. Okay, now let's connect it and put the battery. Oh, first I want to return this connection so it stays fixed. Okay, it will keep the connector fixed and it will not unplug over the time. I'll just return it and stick it just like this. Okay, and then just put the battery back into the slot. Yeah, and this works perfectly because it is holding it in place very nicely. So just put the cable of the battery a little bit here, and that's it for the putting the new battery. Now I will just assemble everything back and try it, and first connect it to the charger so it recharges a little bit, and then we will try it how it works and how bigger capacity it is.